Alright, so we're going to do the unboxing of the new, I think this is actually the 4th generation A50 from Astro. It's the Xbox One version. I think the biggest difference between the two is the coloring, and the Xbox version has Dolby Atmos, although it looks like it's just the Windows copy of Dolby Atmos. It's like a 2-year subscription. So anyway, if you open the box, got the headset here, got what looks like a Toslink optical cable. Got the manual here, the base station. Let's try to look at the ports here. So switch between PC mode and Xbox mode, a charging port, optical in, optical out, auxiliary, and micro USB. One thing I did not like with the last model of the Astro was the charging was sometimes a little difficult to get it in the right place. Oh, I can already tell that's 10 times better. Looks like they listened to feedback on that, because that is way, way easier. I mean, the last one worked. You just had to kind of fiddle around with it. Does that make sense? Okay, so we've got that, and then a USB cord. So it's pretty minimalist, but I really like the quality of the packaging. All right.